Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app, Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. And now to our very last topic. We are getting into this article here, which is Uber and Lyft drivers are potentially getting a huge raise.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. So Uber and Lyft drivers are potentially getting a huge raise because of Biden's gig worker rule. The three companies rely heavily on gig workers.
If you invest in the S&P 500, your portfolio may be too concentrated in big companies.
Sorry, that's an
This
ad.
can lead.
Okay. So the Biden administration proposed a rule about classifying workers as regular employees versus independent contractors, which would raise their pay and getting paid time off, sick leave, set guarantee pay, which, by the way, you can get a set guarantee pay now with Work Solo. You can sign up for guaranteed pay right now, and you can still be an independent contractor, and we will have a link below. And don't you get like 10 bucks or something for signing up, Izzy?
Yeah, you get $10 completely for free when you sign up and link your gig account. Just make sure that you link like a Venmo or PayPal so that you can get the $10.
Yeah. But anyways, Joe Biden agrees. Joe Biden's like, I like Work Solo too. He's like, why don't we make a whole rule for a labor rule for gig workers everywhere and across the nation. So do you want to read this part?
Yeah. Okay, so the Department of Labor announced Tuesday would be publishing a proposed rule this week that would change the government's guidance on how workers are classified as either employees or gig workers.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so the Department of Labor listened to drivers who
Good job. They listen to drivers for once.
Yeah.
Uber doesn't listen to drivers,
but
the Department of Labor does, yeah.
Yeah. So they consistently and overwhelmingly state that they prefer the unique flexibility that comes with being an independent contractor. So C.R. Wooters, head of federal affairs at Uber, told Fox Business. Okay. So yeah, today's proposed rule takes a measured approach, essentially returning us to the Obama era, during which our industry grew exponentially.
Yeah. So with that being said, Uber drivers and Lyft drivers are potentially getting a massive, massive raise. Well, I think... Yeah.
So I was going to say, for all the Uber and Lyft drivers watching, let us know in the chat what you think about this.
Yeah. Do you want to be an independent contractor or a employee? And also, Good Pedal here said he earned $13,000 driving for Uber in 1 month.
Wow. How much did you drive, though? How many hours?
About 84 hours a week. At least.
I don't understand. I don't know.
Just got to wake up at 7 a.m., drive till 7 p.m. It's a big deal.
I mean, if I really needed something big I had to pay for, like really soon, then like, yeah, I would do it.
Yeah, like NFT or something. Like you really wanted to buy like a crypto punk.